Remote, how do I invest?
Okay, the very beginnings of you buying stocks or securities or ETFs means you download an app and fill out the forms. Now, I am not being paid by Charles Schwab. I am not advocating for them. I'm just telling you it's what I use. And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy in a bird costume. Anyway.
I use Fidelity.
Cool.
Yeah, doesn't matter. Use anybody you can find at this point from a brokerage at the point. A reputable brokerage.
So you're going to go, let's say, download the app of your choice, and you're going to fill out the million questions because most of them are tax related. They're going to ask you questions such as, are you a business? No, you're not. You're an individual. If you may need to Google what some of the terms mean. The reason it takes a while to fill out the forms because most of them are tax related because Uncle Sam wants a little bit of the stuff you make. Don't worry about that. Once you fill out the forms for Fidelity or Charles Schwab or whatever you want, you then have to put money into it. That will come from your bank account, either electronically or you will mail in a check and wait for it to clear. Once you have that money in the app, Fidelity or Charles Schwab or something else, Robinhood, bah.
I was just about to ask if you recommend Robinhood, so I guess that's a big point for a beginner.
Not Robinhood.
For a beginner investor?
I guess it's fun in a kind of gamified way. Look, if it gets you there, it gets you there. I like apps that allow you to read, get behind the paywall of a lot of periodicals and peer-reviewed stuff, which Fidelity and Charles Schwab does. Anyway, so you have some money in what's called a money market account. Sometimes they just call it cash. With that money, you can then buy stocks and securities. That's it. That's really it. Now, I recommend that you buy legacy stocks to begin with, and by that I mean companies that have been around a while, because then they pay dividends. Dividends pay way more than any sort of interest on a savings account. That's the name of the game, beating inflation. And by the way, gold and silver. Don't even ask me.